Welcome back, everybody. Today, I'm going to teach you how to add text labels to bar, column, or line charts in Google Sheets. This is a simple way to make your charts more professional and easier to understand by clearly labeling your axes with custom text. First, you'll need to open your browser and navigate to workspace.google.com. Once you're there, go ahead and log in to your Google account. Make sure you're using the correct credentials that have access to the spreadsheet you want to work with. After logging in, you'll land on your Workspace dashboard. Here you'll see all your recent files and folders. Simply locate and click on the spreadsheet that contains the chart you want to customize. This will open the spreadsheet in a new view, giving you full access to all its contents and features. Once your spreadsheet is open, find the chart you want to edit. Click directly on the chart itself to select it. You'll notice that when the chart is selected, 3 vertical dots appear in the upper right corner of the chart. Click on those 3 dots to reveal a small menu with several options. From this menu, select Edit Chart. This action will activate the chart editing mode and prepare your chart for customization. Now the chart editor panel will appear on the right side of your screen. This panel contains all the tools you need to modify your chart's appearance and settings. You'll see 2 main tabs at the top of this panel, Setup and Customize. Click on the Customize tab to access the formatting and labeling options. Within the Customize tab, look for the section labeled Chart and Axis Titles. Click on it to expand this section and reveal more specific options for adding titles and labels to different parts of your chart. You'll notice a drop-down menu appears. By default, it's set to Chart Title, which controls the main heading of your chart. Click on this drop-down menu to see all available options. From the list, select Vertical Axis Title. This option allows you to add a custom text label to the vertical axis of your chart, making it clear what your data represents. Once you've selected Vertical Axis Title, a new field labeled Title Text will appear just below the dropdown. This is where you'll type in the label you want to display on your chart. For example, if your chart shows resting heart rates, you might type resting in this field. The text you enter here will immediately appear on your chart's vertical axis. And that's it. You've successfully added a text label to your chart in Google Sheets. Your chart now has a clear, professional label that helps viewers understand exactly what the data represents. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.